Hey, ever wonder how your favorite sports teams, global brands, or even your local dentist's office manage to keep everyone connected, no matter where they are? How do they handle all those calls, messages, and video meetings without a hitch? Well, chances are, a silent, powerful force is working behind the scenes, making it all happen seamlessly. And that force often goes by the name of RingCentral. You might know them as a leading cloud communications provider, but there's so much more to RingCentral than just reliable phone systems. From their humble beginnings to their massive global impact today, they've got a fascinating story filled with unexpected twists and truly impressive achievements. We're talking about a company that's been around for almost 25 years, quietly revolutionizing how businesses communicate. Think about it. Before cloud communications became the norm, setting up a business phone system meant dealing with a clunky, expensive physical box of wires and hardware. RingCentral was one of the pioneers who looked at that mess and said, there has to be a better way, and they built it right in the cloud. So, get ready to dive into some seriously cool and often surprising facts about RingCentral. We're going to pull back the curtain and show you why they're not just another tech company, but a true game changer in the world of modern business. You might just be surprised by how much of your daily digital life or the operations of businesses you interact with are actually powered by this innovative company. All right, let's kick things off with our first fun fact. Did you know RingCentral was founded by two Vlads? That's right, Vlad Shmuniz and Vlad Vendro. They initially worked together at a company called RingZero, which focused on small business communications for Microsoft Windows. After that company was sold to Motorola in 2003, they decided to take their vision for cloud-based communications even further, and thus RingCentral was born in 1999. It's a classic tech origin story. Two smart minds, a big idea, and the determination to build something entirely new. And speaking of building something new, here's a really interesting tidbit. RingCentral was actually the first vendor to launch internet fax. Back in the day, faxing was a huge deal for many industries, especially healthcare, financial services, and government. But it was still a physical, paper-based process. RingCentral saw an opportunity to bring faxing into the digital age, empowering businesses with seamless document sharing over the internet. This was a crucial step in showing the world the power of cloud-based communication long before video calls became a daily norm. Now, let's talk numbers because RingCentral's scale is truly mind-boggling. They handle approximately 1 billion minutes of voice traffic per year. That's a lot of conversations. To put that into perspective, imagine every phone call, every customer service interaction, every team meeting that happens on their platform. It's like a constant, global hum of communication. And to manage that kind of volume, they rely on a robust network of geographically diverse data centers. We're talking about facilities located on both coasts of the US, designed with multiple layers of redundancy and 24/7 security. This isn't just about handling calls. It's about ensuring those calls are crystal clear, secure, and available literally always. And here's a testament to their reliability. RingCentral has consistently delivered 99.999% uptime for their business-critical cloud phone system. What does 5 nines of reliability mean? It means less than 6 minutes of downtime per year. For businesses that rely on constant communication, from sales teams to customer support, that kind of consistent availability is absolutely critical. It's a gold standard in the industry and something they've maintained for many, many consecutive quarters. That's not just good luck. It's a result of meticulous engineering and a commitment to keeping businesses connected. You know how everyone talks about artificial intelligence these days? Well, RingCentral has been deeply invested in AI for quite some time. They acquired a conversation intelligence pioneer, DeepEffects, back in 2020, bringing a rich set of AI models for things like diarization, emotion recognition, and speech recognition into their platform. This isn't just about transcribing meetings. It's about understanding the nuances of conversations, identifying key insights, and helping businesses make smarter decisions. Their AI capabilities are now woven into everything from video meetings with live transcriptions and AI-generated summaries, to contact center solutions that help agents perform better and provide better customer experiences. It's all about making every interaction smarter and more efficient. And speaking of video meetings, RingCentral offers a pretty generous free video meeting app. It supports unlimited calling for up to 24 hours and up to 100 participants. That's a serious amount of free meeting time. It also includes features like unlimited whiteboards, breakout rooms, and collaborative notes. So, if you're looking for a robust video solution without the hefty price tag, RingCentral has a powerful free offering that might surprise you. Here's another fun fact, showing their commitment to collaboration. RingCentral acquired Glip, a team messaging platform, back in 2015. This acquisition was a key move in expanding their offering beyond just voice and video, creating a unified communication experience where messaging, document sharing, task management, and video meetings all live in one place. It's about streamlining workflows and helping teams work smarter, not just communicate. RingCentral is also a major player in integrating with other essential business applications. They boast a massive ecosystem of over 350 pre-built app integrations with popular platforms like Salesforce, Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and Dropbox. This means businesses can seamlessly connect their communication tools with the apps they already use every day, avoiding the dreaded app switching fatigue, and keeping all their data and workflows synchronized. They even have an open platform with over 500 APIs, allowing developers to build custom integrations and extend the power of RingCentral even further. It's a testament to their commitment to flexibility and adaptability for businesses of all sizes. And here's a truly impressive achievement. RingCentral has been recognized as a Gartner Magic Quadrant leader in Unified Communications as a Service, UCaaS, worldwide for 10 years in a row. Gartner's Magic Quadrant is a highly respected evaluation that assesses companies based on their completeness of vision and ability to execute. Being a leader for a decade straight is a huge accomplishment and speaks volumes about their consistent innovation and market dominance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.